Fajardo. Fajardo. Yeah, let's turn right from the left lane. Pass this guy, will you? My God. Jesus.
Right here?
Yeah, this is all it. See the water down there a little bit. Ingredients, and come to find out, nobody has those harmful ingredients, but because they advertise that, actually, yeah. Actually, it's coming. You know what? This hill goes. Oh, here we go. Yeah, we picked a new place to eat tonight. Kalizo. Oh, there's the girl. So they even have a pool table, and on our table is the ring game, which we have no clue what it's really called.
First time we saw that was in Vieques.
Yeah. You got your picture, right?
Oh my God, first time.
Get out of here. But she goes, what is this lake? And I said, baby, that's not a lake. That's the Caribbean Sea. And she laughed.
My wife what? What are you saying?
And
My wife what?
Laughed.
When
I said, that's not a lake, that's the Caribbean Sea. Yeah. How's that? But you know what? We are on the east side of the island, and I'm not sure if they call this portion the Caribbean Sea, but I think they probably do.
Look at that.
It was
More
there.
driftwood.
It was here when we came by.
No, that was in Isla Verde.
Okay.
Well, that was when we walked by?
When we walked by, yes.
Oh, I thought you said
They packed it up, the garbage man will take it. Yep, it's all good. Listen to the dog.
Oh my God, they got this really fun. Look how fast.
They gotta see where they're going so they don't hit any humans. But look at this.